So this is exactly how I was able to connect my Bluetooth speaker here to my computer Windows 10. So the first thing we need to do is to put our Bluetooth speakers into pairing mode. And you do so by clicking on this button right here, click and hold, at least that is so for me here as you can see, until you will hear a sound from it. When you hear a sound from it, then we can go into settings now on our computer. So go into settings here and then click on Bluetooth and devices, or you can click on add device. Then click on Bluetooth right here as you can see. Wait for it to show up. Sometimes you have to click on show all devices, but just wait for it to show up. Sometimes it's showing up really fast here, sometimes you have to wait, just so you know. So we're just gonna wait for it to show up. I'm just gonna click on it one more time here. Let's see if this can speed up the process. Yeah, here it is, as you can see. So this is my Bluetooth speaker here. I'm just gonna click on it. It's gonna say connecting here, and your device is ready to go. So yeah, now it's connected here as you can see, and that is basically exactly how to do this.